Welcome to the midweek recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Friuli Venezia Giulia debates new investments in education, research and inclusion. Alessio Rosolando, Regional Councillor for Education and Research, has detailed a sweeping investment plan for Friuli Venezia Giulia. The initiative increases funding for postgraduate programs and cutting-edge technologies, expands support for schools with disability services, and connects the region to major European research projects. An effort to enhance competitiveness and opportunities for communities across Friuli Venezia Giulia. Italy turns red. Voices rise against violence in Trieste and beyond.
Trieste turned red today as large crowds gather to demonstrate and march downtown, calling for an end on violence against women.
Violence against women is a cultural problem. We must act at different levels, institutional levels, but also protesting and rising up our voice against patriarchy. So that's the reason why we are all here, to say end patriarchy and save women, save lives.
Trieste aims east, a new gateway for global trade. Trieste sets its sights on the Far East. At the Blue Economy Forum, Friuli Venezia Giulia Governor Massimiliano Fedriga highlighted India as a potential strategic partner, positioning the port as a key gateway for trade with Asia and an alternative to Western routes.
So che noi non possiamo non guardare il Far East perché geograficamente guardiamo quella parte là, non la parte atlantica, che ovviamente ha altri punti di approdo, e su questo però dobbiamo avere la consapevolezza che dobbiamo lavorare con partner che guardino i nostri collegamenti come unica alternativa forte al commercio con l'Europa e con l'Occidente, e su questo per me l'India può essere veramente un paese strategico, non solo, ovviamente anche tutti i paesi che dall'India per arrivare fino al porto di Trieste ci sono, possono essere strategici per quanto ci riguarda e non essere condizionati noi stessi invece da un'unica grande economia del Far East che però rischia di fare scelte diverse.
Maggiore Hospital, where technology meets hope.
Trieste's Ospedale Maggiore unveils a new mural, a work that blends art, care and humanity in the radiotherapy ward, symbolizing hope, inclusion and renewed dignity for patients and staff alike.
Sicuramente le persone qui passano dei momenti veramente complicati per la terapia che fanno, per cui vedere questo non posso che dire grazie alla signora Nerina Condotti che ha fatto questa cosa meravigliosa, veramente una cosa da rimanere a bocca aperta, infatti ho detto lo faremo anche da altre parti.
È un importante passo in avanti su un percorso che abbiamo intrapreso da tempo, che è quello di rendere gli ambienti clinici ospedalieri più umani. L'attesa per un paziente genera ansia e paura, quindi potersi trovare, oltre che con professionisti di eccellenza, tecnologie all'avanguardia, anche un ambiente confortevole e accogliente, riteniamo che sia importante per il paziente.
My purpose was to give happiness and joy to the people, to the women that will be after me. So this is the result, and you will see that inside the room. And when I proposed to paint and to do that to my doctor's team, they said, yes, this is really a nice idea. I really appreciate it a lot, and we are grateful that we are here with you.
State Police in Trieste unveils 2026 calendar. Trieste unveiled the 2026 State Police calendar, featuring photography that highlights the humanity behind the uniform, with Questor Lilia Fredella emphasizing the people at the heart of law enforcement.
Annuncia un calendario, si presenta un calendario sulla prossima stagione, un calendario
importante considerare la persona oltre la divisa, perché la divisa è facilmente riconoscibile, non è necessario che il cittadino riconosca la persona dietro la divisa, ha bisogno della divisa, però noi abbiamo bisogno di considerare chi c'è dietro, come lavora, che sia sereno nel suo lavoro e che possa lavorare al meglio.
Grazie. Could a 5-year jump be Italy's strongest tool against smoking?
Italian health groups are pushing to raise cigarette prices by €5 a pack, saying it could slash smoking rates and boost funding for the National Health Service. They are gathering signatures to bring the proposal to the parliament, arguing that higher prices, such as those ones in France and Ireland, are the quickest way to make Italians to quit. If the cigarette prices were higher, do you think this would help Italians to quit smoking, or you don't, or maybe you think they won't care or it won't change?
I think that a lot of young people stopped smoking like really every day, every time they go out and stuff. But in general, I don't think a person would stop smoking just for the prices.
In Australia, a packet of cigarettes costs more than $20 now. In the UK, they cost about £20. So, here, because there are borders that people can cross, they're always going to be able to find cheaper cigarettes, and I don't think it'll make a difference.
For some people, yes. Maybe for teenagers, it could reduce the amount of cigarettes they are smoking because it limits the economic possibilities to buy some. But I think in general, it's a much more complex issue than just prices.
Double the figure, double the drama. Trieste opera season opens on high notes.
Trieste's Teatro Verdi opens its 2025-26 season with a double spotlight on Figaro, featuring Rossini's Il Barbiere di Saviglia and Mozart's Le Nozze di Figaro, in stunning new productions by Pierluigi Pizzi.
Yes, with two operas, which are the most important in the opera buffa, in the commedia, Nozze di Figaro of Mozart and Barbiere di Siviglia of Rossini.
È l'inizio di una nuova stagione lirica con degli esperimenti interessanti. Questa inaugurazione con Barbiere, cui seguirà una continuazione inaugurazione con Nozze di Figaro, ma ci sono anche altre proposte interessanti durante l'anno, 2 Shakespeare rivisitati, uno in musica, uno in prosa, la fine con Electra, quindi io spero che la stagione sia di gradimento e quindi invito il pubblico ad accorrere. Abbiamo avuto dei riscontri positivi sugli abbonamenti, molto positivi, quindi siamo fiduciosi che sarà una bella stagione.
Carsolina Cross, 50 years of speed, spirit and community.
The Carsolina Cross celebrates 50 years this Sunday in Trieste, doubling as trials for Italy's European team, plus youth races and key community events supporting research and inclusion.
Insomma, manifestazione importante e quel numero è impressionante. Riuscire a mantenere viva la tradizione di una manifestazione per 50 anni e riuscendo oltretutto ad implementarla e facendola crescere sempre di più è un dato che rende merito agli organizzatori e a Trieste Atletica in particolare.
Christmas by the Sea, only in Trieste.
Trieste is getting into the holiday spirit with the Christmas lights being lit on Friday at 5 p.m. Are you in holiday spirit?
I'm starting to do so, yeah. I'm starting to feel the Christmas, but just a few. It's so early, maybe. From this time.
Kind of. I mean, it's gonna be nice, nice view. So it's always beautiful when the city gets a Christmas light, a Christmas vibe and mood. So yeah, I like it.
You too? Yeah, I'm very excited. I mean, it's our first Christmas together, so we have extra reason to be happy this year. But the city looks nice. I mean, always the Christmas vibes makes you happy.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to Christmas.
It's very good to have a city like Trieste on the sea with a lot of good things. Yes.
Christmas lights and this Christmas trees, it's great. It's like
Christmas on the sea.
Yes, I love Christmas. I'm from Trieste, and every year they make great Christmas trees, and I love walk around and see the sea, and also lights and atmosphere, totally.
Thank you for watching Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.